Hey, it's Daily Clark here, just doing a quick video to show you how to take your Now Lifestyle done for you lead capture pages and get traffic to them using something called a traffic exchange. Now, a traffic exchange is where you go in, you put your website in, and you surf to look at other people's websites and earn credits for them to look at yours. Okay, it's a really, really good source of 24-hour traffic. It goes even while you sleep, providing you have credits assigned to it, enough credits. And it also, you can do banner and text advertising in there as well, which is also 24/7 advertising for you. And I'm going to get started here and show you how to run this thing. So the first thing you do is you sign up. You put your first name, last name, email address. Now, very important with this email address, you're going to put an email address. Let me back up. You should have an email address. If you don't have one for this purpose, you should create an email address that is specifically for signing up to advertising resources like traffic exchanges and anything else, because you'll be getting mail, not a whole bunch from traffic exchanges, but they do have admin emails and updates and promos and stuff they send you to let you know about specials and let you know about times where you can log in and surf for more credits than usual, cool stuff like that. And there are some other advertising resources that will send you a bunch of mail. So you want a Gmail that is not one you use every day and is specifically for advertising resources. So that being said, of course, first name, last name, email. Put the email in again so that you confirm it. Put your username, password. Do your password again. Some have security code, some don't. This one does. You put in the 3 black symbols here for the security code. Agree to the terms. Make sure you read this. I can tell you from personal experience, Now Lifestyle pages, all the done for you lead capture pages, have no problem in any of the traffic exchanges that I've ever used. So it's not a problem. So that's all you do. You click submit. Now, when you click submit, whatever email address you put here, they will send out an automated message to you that says, welcome to blah, blah, blah traffic exchange. Like, welcome to Traffic Splash. Please confirm your account. So what you're going to do is you're going to confirm it in your email. It'll kick you back over to here, and you'll be here with your username and password. Now, like I said, a million times probably already in this video, make sure your username and password is tucked somewhere safe, either in a file on your Gmail or in a file on your computer or written down in a book somewhere so that you have them here. Okay. Then you log in. They have certain promos and all sorts of good stuff. Sometimes they'll show you a monthly package. Sometimes they'll show you a credit deal. But I am talking about using this completely for free. So yes, they do have upgrade offers. They offer them at the beginning when you sign in. You do not have to take those if you don't want to, can't afford to. Those are optional. Right now I'm talking about strictly free traffic. So we're going to come up here. And on the menu, of course, you have home. You have members home, which we are there now. Coupons. Profile, your name, address, all that stuff. You can put your social, Facebook address and all that stuff in here. They have certain downloads for some folks to help you learn a little bit of stuff. Of course, you get frequently asked questions, contact support, your ads. This is where you'll be adding your websites and your banners and text is what we'd be touching on. Right now, I'm just going to straight up show you sites, okay? And then the rest of the stuff over here, pretty self-explanatory. Now, what you want to do first, of course, for those of you that are experiencing this as a first-time ever video, I already showed folks how to get into their Now Lifestyle account to get their links, but I'm going to do a quick overview. Log into your Now Lifestyle account. You're in your dashboard, okay? You want to go, that's where you are now because it's lit up in red. You want to go over to Reseller Tools. Now, that's lit up in red, and it's got a red bar there, so you know you're there. You're going to come down here on the left-hand side of the Reseller Tools menu. You're going to click Promo Links, click on Opportunity, click on Lead Pages. Okay, super simple. So bam, 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 you're here. Now it says Choose Link, and it has a drop-down menu. You click on it, and all these will drop down. You'll be able to see one by one. What I want you to focus on right now, all of these are hot. All of these convert really, really well. So if you don't know what that means, just don't worry, these are good. So you're going to take this, click on it, and now the one, like I said, was Amazing Simple 2, is what they call it. And you'll be able to see right there, it'll be listed. Yeah, see, it says Amazing _ Simple 2. You're gonna, once it shows up the picture in the description, you go down, scroll down. This is your link. It'll have nowlifestyle.com, the page name, and your affiliate ID. Not mine, yours. So that's going to be different. So don't look for Clarky44. You shouldn't find it anywhere there. That's mine. That's me, not you. So then you hit copy link to clipboard. It says copied there for half a second. You go back over here. Now, that top menu, like I said, some of these are located on the top in some traffic exchanges, and some are located on the side. And when I do some more videos for you with particular traffic exchanges that are set up different, I'll let you know about those too. But this is pretty standard, either this way or this way. So you're going to hit My Ads. You're going to go to Sites. Let's see what I can do. Okay, it says My Sites. You go all the way down. I already have some sites in there, so I won't bore you with those. Now you're going to put, I put NLS Amazing 2. I already put that in there, so I got to delete it. And I got some old stuff in here I want to get rid of. Pardon me for a second while I do some housekeeping. Yes. Hang on one second. So yeah, you're getting a genuine video here. My buddy Joe just knocked on my door in the middle of the video. I had to go harass him there for a quick second. And yeah, you probably hear some dude out in the background with a saw running it, doing some construction work out here. So nothing but 110% genuine grade A realism here for you. Anyway, back to what I was talking about. Okay. We are in here, and we're going to assign your Done For You lead capture page in Now Lifestyle. Well, of course, I was just in here. Copy the link to the clipboard. Come here. Put in. I always put in exactly which one it is. NLS Amazing 2. It's Amazing Simple, but I use a short name. Control V, or right click and paste. There. And then you hit Add. Now this goes through our site checker to make sure it doesn't have any malware, viruses, and all that. Plus it shows you what it looks like. Make sure you get the right page. It says, once it says pass check, confirm your site. Alright. And now that you have this in there and it says it's active, you can go here to surfing. And I'm going to show you how to surf real quick, okay? Go to surf. And it will open this up. In this particular exchange, they have a chat box. Don't worry about that. You can exit out of it. And then what happens is you view people's pages. And this is static, but these show up so that you match this to this. For this one, there's images. Some are numbers. Some just have a countdown timer and then say go. But this is how you click to get to the next page. Okay. So in the course of surfing, as you can see, it's a 6-second timer. You view people's websites, okay? And what that does is that earns you credits to assign to your websites so that other people can view them and see your offer. Great thing is, once you earn credits here, of course you can always assign them to your websites, but you can also assign them into banner and text ads, which I'm not going to go into right yet. I want to have that be a video in and of itself. They give you awards for surfing regularly, so this is just some of the things they do. So anyhow, that's how a traffic exchange works. You're surfing. Once you're done surfing, you have these options up here. Of course, you can open the site to look at it without all this around it. Or if it's an inappropriate site, like it's got some nudies on here or anything like that, or it's inappropriate in any way, you can report it to the admin. Now, that being said, I've never, ever had trouble with most any of the traffic exchanges I've been on having inappropriate sites, but they always put that there in case someone puts in a site that actually breaks out of this frame or freezes or just sits there and runs and gives you a hard time. So they always put that in. So what you're going to do is once you've viewed enough credits, sometimes I try and go in here and do 50 to 100, sometimes more, clicks to get traffic. Okay. Then once you're done, excuse me, you're going to hit home, go back to My Ads, come down here to Sites, and this has an auto assign. If you had multiple sites, you may or may not want to use that. So you have, I will assign credits to it. So now there it is. It's active, nowlifestyle.com, Amazing Simple 2. Assign some views. I actually have to surf today, as a matter of fact. Going to be doing that here soon. You find some really cool stuff. And the other cool part about using traffic exchanges, when you're in there and you're a member of multiple advertising sites, which you're soon going to be, okay, you will see other advertising resources that you have, and you're like, oh, wait a minute, I got to go surf that. Or, oh, wait a minute, I almost forgot about that. I have that written down. I got to go use that site. So that does help. Anyway, that's how you get in here from point A to point B, sign up to a traffic exchange, put in your website, and earn credits. I will catch you a bit later for banners and text ads. We'll get that one going. And until I talk to you again, you have a great day. See you soon. Bye.